Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2005 Ford Crown Victoria. As you see, the hood is popped. I want to check the fluids in the car, or at least the coolant. And I just got done cleaning up the car. So today is basically about an update on this vehicle and how it's running since it's been serviced, and just going from there. As you see, the car is still looking real nice. Like I said, I just got done washing it. Did the wheels. Really didn't scrub the tires, but got some of the dirt off the caps, back of the car. Still have the paint peeling in certain areas, so I still have to figure out what I'm gonna do about that. Am I going to take care of those spots until we get the car painted or whatnot? But it's not looking too bad, mainly on the front, like right there, right here. So yeah, but let's pop this hood and I'll go over how the Crown Vic has been doing. So I have been driving it. I think I've put maybe 200 miles on the car since it's been serviced, since I serviced it last. If you didn't catch that video, make sure you go back and watch it on the Crown Victoria. But we did a full tune-up, well, 80% tune-up. We did new plugs. I did 2 new coil packs on the front right here, and then one on the back right there, which I actually lost the screw, so I have to order that screw. Well, other than that, the car has been running great. Knock on wood, no other issues that are causing the car to run a little funny or whatnot. And the coolant level, still pretty good. So we still have to do the valve cover gaskets. Still has that leak on the intake, but it's not doing it now. So most of those leaks really happen in the winter time, and you still have the cover off, which the cover is in the trunk. So since the car is now running pretty well again, no check engine light, I'm going to go ahead and put that cover back on. Not right now, but I'll put it on another time. Just wanted to do a visual inspection. I got to check the oil. Time to actually change the oil on the car. But like I said, after that tune-up, no, it's been running very strong. No more check engine light. Now we have 130,000 miles on the car. If you've been following the channel since I bought this car, I bought it with 90, sorry about that, I bought it with like 93,000, I think somewhere in there, 90 something thousand miles on it. So put a few miles on it.
A melatonin-free sleep aid made with a botanical blend that contains.
Let's turn that. Okay, so as you see, we have 135.35. Now for Crown Victorias, that is low mileage, believe it or not. And as you see, I still have to go over the interior, get it cleaned up or whatnot. But I did add the wood grain. So if you're new to the channel, this is a Interceptor. I just added the wood grain, and this one did not come with the spotlight. No spotlight cutout, which is real good. That's what I'm looking for on the Crown Vic. I don't like the spotlight, and I don't like the hole that it leaves if you take the spotlight off. But you see, we still have the LEDs on the mirrors. They are unplugged. Never have plugged them up. On the antenna, so we still have all the antennas on the car. Like I said, I would like to. I was thinking about taking them off, but I don't want to leave any holes in the car. Otherwise, you have to put this thing on here, and then every time you wash it, it gets a lot of black smudge everywhere. So you have to kind of like, don't touch that, otherwise it'll make a huge mess. These are the other ones. This is this, yeah. So you have the Interceptor sticker. Bumper is still strong. A lot of on the Crown Vics, the bumpers start to sag over time. So you have to be very careful with that, otherwise it'll start cracking along the edges. And you have to either fix that or get a new bumper. Tires on the car. I bought these tires, was it last year or the year before? I can't remember. But still pretty good thread on here. This is the only original tire that came with the car, but it has still has pretty good thread on it. These are the ones. I bought 3 new ones when I did buy them. They're holding up pretty good so far. Yep. See, the grill is holding up that I blended with the car. So if you're wondering, like, hey, the car looks pretty clean in the front, it's because I blended the outer part of the grill to match the car, give it that nice presidential look. And of course, we went with the new headlights. Nothing fancy, just the new headlights. No tinted lights or anything like that. And I am thinking about replacing these. So I'll probably order a set, end up replacing them, make it look even better. But that's the Crown Victoria for today. Thank you for tuning in, watching the channel. Hit that like, subscribe button, share the video. If you have a friend who has a Crown Vic, or you want a Crown Vic in the future, and this is an example of one. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.